Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the pre-market outlook session for the date of 19th November. Based on the yesterday's one, as per our behavioral research, what we have provided through the outcome of the first close above the 14th November high and the consecutive close, as per our concept, is always required to set a trend in the same direction where it is giving confirmation like. But yesterday, the market could not close above consecutively the point of 25,940. So it has given, that means the 30 points short to that the market closed for the Nifty. And because of this action, what can be expected will be discussed anyway here. And but the observation based what we have to share with you all is, see, the construction based positivity the market have built in the recent days only helping now. Yes, in a what way means the construction what it has started building from the low of 25,318 happened in the few sessions back, and where only the first time the 25,365 was broken, the high of October 15th one, the core date, one of our core date. And after that, the market continuously climbing towards almost 7 to 8 session only positive close was happened. And because of the 2 days before the how to say that indecisive manner the market reacted on Friday and Monday. So the yesterday's close was the first signal for the market. It has not able to hold and even not able to break the high of 25,940 witnesses on the 14th of November. So which means what? The behavior based pause is happening here. Nothing other than this happened. So overall the positional momentum for our markets is still intact with the positivity, which is still having the potential to reach the previous all-time high. Even the new all-time high also can be expected. So this is what the observation we are actually sharing with you all. So if you are holding any long positions in a huge lots manner or a huge quantities manner, so you can somewhat by using the bounces and all, you can somewhat reduce the position, not even in below 50% like that. So it is enough to reduce the position at least 30 to 50%, maximum 50% can be reduced. So in that manner, one can keep awaiting for the bounces and the retesting of the previous high and all with holding the remaining portion of the shares or lots. So that is what another suggestion for the positional traders. See, for the day, as per the preview of today's market, what we are expecting, the opening trend may be known by all the traders that the positivity somewhat is being maintained while in the opening of Nifty and the Sensex is being watched. And after opening with a flat to positive manner, the Nifty can be expected for the first 1 hour. It should be closely watched whether it is crossing and holding the same of 25,940. First 1 hour it is closing above this particular point means you can get the signal that the market is interested towards making further high there onwards. After the first hour close confirmation above 25,940, if it does so, there onwards, you can expect a big momentum for the day is going to happen like. In case, as predicted, the market or Nifty is not closing the first hour above the point of 25,940 means you can actually wait for the next signal whether the 26,025 as an important top recently formed is getting broken or not. Whether this level is getting approached through the way of breakout or even closing or not is the next duty to be watched by the traders today. In case this particular thing happens or the Nifty does breaking about 25,025 means 26,025 means the possibility for later recovery or later escalation in the market may also be expected. So that is the another kind of a monitoring way for the day traders we are providing now. As long as the Nifty support is maintained at the 25,800 and 25,740. So as long as these levels are getting maintained or retained by the Nifty, the day traders can focus on buy on dips based strategies also can be deployed and can be focused on the long side only. So as long as it is actually maintaining the yesterday's low, that is also can be treated as an immediate based support for the market. That would be a great signal. The market can be expected in a higher way of bounces or reversals like. So these things and all togetherly and one by one separate signal wise you can watch out and act accordingly. From the positional front, as long as the Nifty's sustainability about 25,365 and 25,449. So these levels are actually giving that much of cushion and the demand zones, what it is actually acting as is having a proof that already 2 or 3 times when the market or Nifty is approaching these levels where from the market bounced phenomenally from that point. So these levels can be keenly and closely watched as well as approached whenever the Nifty is getting approaching for the purpose of accumulating further until it is closing below the particular levels consecutively for 2 days. If one day it is closing means you can get or apply caution. If 2 days consecutively closer means you can actually reduce or cut the positions and shift your direction towards the confirmation side where the market is provided. For the day, the sectors like IT, particularly from TCS and Infosys, which are having news and good news actually, positive momentum can be expected. And along with that, few mid-cap stocks also can be seen. After IT, it would be on metal index, particularly from the aluminium and ore, that means iron ore kind of ore mining companies. And afterwards, at reality, the momentum started yesterday, may be expected to continue today. Energy from the Reliance side, it should be watched closely because the Reliance Industries is cooking somewhat good in the technical behavior. We are expecting if the breakout as expected or a behavior continuation seen on the chart today means the Reliance will be holding the next leg of rallies, all major points through the way of climbing up by the Reliance Industries. So that can be watched out. Along with some more stocks also can be under the energy sector and oil and gas. Finally, it is bank and along with the some stocks in the financial services can also be watched out that may be expected to give the direction where the market really getting confirmed based on our strategies we have discussed for the first hour or later hour like that. So these are the sectors to be focused. Under these, any stocks we have discussed can be focused also. And newsprint or technical behavior wise, as discussed earlier, this TCS Infosys are having good news. Along with that, Escorts Kubota also having a positive news. And NSDL, a warning letter from the SAB side. This may be a negative one for the NSDL today. And GR Infra Projects, a good order based news. Azad Engineering also good news. And GMR Airports, Keynes Technology. GMR Airports, based on the technical behavior, the continuation may be happening for the stock. But on the Keynes Technologies, based on the behavior, the negativity, what the stock has already witnesses may be expected to hold or slightly continue for the day. So these are all the stocks the day traders can focus and get enjoy through the way of harvesting good gains by approaching them. So keeping stop loss would be always important to maintain in all kind of transaction what you are doing. Don't forget to do that. That's it from today's pre-market session. We can discuss. Wishing everyone to have an opportunistic day. Thank you for participating in today's session. We'll be meeting again in tomorrow's one. Bye.